Hi, this is Farmer Michelle again from Husquiet Good Rain Farm. I am Sinai of the Pacific Northwest, and on Husquiet Farm we raise tons of first foods and indigenous first foods that are found here in both the Pacific Northwest, but also because we have such a strong and large urban native population, we grow foods from all over the states that our fellow indigenous siblings would recognize and get to taste a little bit of home. So we grow nettles for pesto and tea and whatnot. We grow corn. We have some Hopi blue corn this year, and we're hoping to save seeds from our various plant species that we have. So we are a farm, so we grow everything in cell trays, and we then transplant them out in our fields. Here you can see some of our beans and squash that are rare varieties that we're hoping to save seed from and generate a larger seed population so that these seeds can go back out to the tribes they come from, and we can grow so many more plants, not just 10 of them, but hundreds of them, so that we can share them with our whole community. And we also like to grow flowers as well, so we have a bunch of sunflowers and echinacea and tons of other pollinator species that are used in dyes and are good medicine and native to the area, and is part of our integrative pest management program. So we like to feed our pollinators and bring them to the farm so they'll help pollinate all of our fruiting crops that we like to eat, but that they also give us some beauty too on the farm. So out here in the field we have, we're growing some miner's lettuce, which is a native Pacific Northwest first food. It's growing really well out here in the fields. We started it off in those cell trays that we were looking at just a moment ago, and then we transplanted them out here. And we've harvested some for our community supported agriculture fund, and our memberships there get to try out a lot of these first foods. And it's really fun to share our native culture with folks and to grow these foods so that everyone can get a taste of them and make delicious, nutritious meals with them. And one of my favorite things about growing Pacific Northwest native foods is they're super pest resistant, and they have evolved for this environment and for our weather here and our climate, so they do really well. The challenge is just convincing them to grow in conventional agriculture setups like this mixed vegetable farm. So you can see a bunch of our other common veggies we grow as well for our CSA membership. But that's what we do here at Husquiet. We grow Pacific Northwest and Turtle Island at large first foods for everyone.